iPhone 18 Pro just leaked to the public, and it is completely insane. You might think we still have months of waiting left, but Apple started their test production way too early this year, and it completely backfired on them. 8 massive hardware secrets just leaked straight to the internet. We are talking about the fully finalized color lineup, a crazy new mechanical camera upgrade, and one huge screen change that we have been begging Apple to make for 4 entire years. Let us jump right in. Normally, Apple runs a super tight ship. They usually do not start doing their engineering validation tests until the end of April or even May. But this year, things are completely different. According to top-tier industry insiders, Apple actually started testing their manufacturing runs all the way back in late February. They pushed the big red button way early to make sure the factories could handle the wild new hardware changes. But when you run the factories early, physical dummy units and mockups always sneak out the back door. And thanks to legendary leakers getting their hands on those exact physical mockups, we can see exactly what Apple is changing. Let us start with the biggest upgrade, and honestly, it is the one that proves Apple is finally taking real photography seriously. Since the dawn of the smartphone, the main camera on the back of your phone has had a fixed permanent hole for light to come through. It could never change size. When you take a portrait photo and the background gets all blurry and cinematic, your phone is actually faking it. It is just a computer software trick, and that is exactly why it constantly messes up the edges of your hair or your glasses. But that fake software blur is officially a thing of the past. The leaks confirm that Apple is bringing a real, physical variable aperture to the iPhone 18 Pro. They literally hired a company called Sunny Optical in China to build tiny little mechanical blades inside the camera lens that can actually open and close. If you are taking a photo in a dark restaurant, the blades open all the way up to drink in the light and give you beautiful natural background blur. If you are standing on a sunny beach trying to take a sharp landscape photo, the blades physically close down so everything is in perfect focus. It is the exact same technology used in massive expensive DSLR cameras, completely shrunken down into your pocket. And Apple is not just throwing this crazy new hardware at us without a way to use it. They recently went out and quietly acquired the team behind Halide and Kino, which are 2 of the most popular professional camera apps on the entire App Store. The lead developer literally works for Apple right now. This is a massive clue that Apple is finally building a true manual pro camera mode directly into the standard iPhone camera app. You will finally have total control over your shutter speed and that brand new mechanical aperture without having to pay a ridiculous monthly subscription for a third-party app. Now, all of that camera power does not mean anything if the phone is ugly. So let us talk about the design and the brand new paint job. If you grab your current Pro iPhone right now and flip it over, look closely at the frosted glass on the back. Notice how the square bump that holds the camera lenses is a slightly different color and texture than the rest of the phone. It has always looked a little mismatched and weirdly two-toned. Well, the new leaks confirm Apple has completely redesigned their glass forging process. The entire back of the iPhone 18 Pro is going to be one seamless, beautifully unified piece of glass with no weird color shifting. And speaking of colors, prepare to be a little bit heartbroken. If you have been begging Apple on your knees to release a completely stealthy, murdered-out matte black iPhone, you are going to be waiting another year. The final color lineup has leaked, and true black is completely missing. We are getting a classic silver, a soft light blue, and a very moody dark gray. But to make up for the lack of black, Apple is dropping one of the most classy flagship colors I have ever seen. They are calling it dark cherry. Imagine the deepest, darkest red you can possibly think of. It is giving heavy old money, luxury sports car vibes. When you are sitting at a coffee table and someone sees that rich crimson red shining under the lights, they are instantly going to know you have the absolute newest Pro iPhone. It is the ultimate flex color for this year. But my absolute favorite physical change is actually happening on the front of the device. We have to talk about the dynamic island. When Apple first introduced that giant black pill at the top of the screen, it was a fun little gimmick. But let us be real, it is huge. It constantly eats into your full-screen YouTube videos and gets in the way of your thumbs when you are gaming. Thankfully, Mark Gurman and other top analysts have confirmed that Apple figured out how to cram the Face ID sensors directly underneath the glass display because they hid those sensors. The dynamic island is permanently shrinking by a massive 35%. It is finally going to be just a tiny, unobtrusive little cutout. You're getting so much of your actual screen real estate back. When you hold the new iPhone 18 Pro next to an older model, the old one is going to look incredibly cluttered and totally outdated. So, we are getting a mechanical camera with moving parts, a brand new professional software suite, an entirely new glass manufacturing process, and a shrunken dynamic island. You are probably gripping your credit card right now, sweating about how much this is going to cost. Everything in the world is getting more expensive, and memory chip prices are absolutely skyrocketing for tech companies right now. But in a completely shocking twist, top supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo says you can actually relax. Apple is completely eating the extra manufacturing costs this year. They are currently planning to keep the exact same pricing structure as last year. You get all of these massive physical hardware upgrades, the new dark cherry color, and the variable aperture, without paying a single dollar more than the current generation costs. I do not know about you guys, but if you have been holding on to an iPhone 14 Pro or an iPhone 15 Pro, this is the exact massive leap forward we have been waiting for. But I want to hear from you. Are you more excited to finally play with that mechanical variable aperture camera? Or are you just incredibly happy that the giant dynamic island is finally shrinking down? And more importantly, are you going to be grabbing that crazy new dark cherry color? Let me know your entire upgrade game plan down in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because the second someone turns on one of those physical test units and leaks the video, I'm going to break it all down right here on the channel. Stay safe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.